Today I am going to give you online classes in order to make you efficient to face the challenges that we are confronting presently. Today I am going to explain narration. It is a very integral and important part for our CBC curriculum in order to get those high obtaining in the examination. Now let us come to the board. I am going to explain. Narration means a statement. Narration means a statement. We can express a statement in two ways, that is direct way and indirect way. So here I am going to explain what is direct speech and what is indirect speech. In order to change a sentence of direct speech into indirect speech, there are two conditions. These conditions are here. First, reporting verb and reported speech. All the changes takes place according to reporting verb. So I am going to explain you what conditions are involved in solving such a question. There are two special rules. There are two rules. First one is general rule and special rule. A special rule and general rule. Here I am going to just explain general rule. General rule. Stage or state. Tells, told. Change of Now here I am going to explain what are the rules involved. First of all, we should change say, said or said into tells or told if there will be an object. If there will be an object. Otherwise it should be left as it is. Second change, inverted commas should be converted into that. And third one is change of person. When the reported verb will be in first person, then it should be changed according to the subject. Second person should be changed according to the object, and third person should not be changed. This is the basic requirement. So we should make up our mind, the use for better consumption. Change of tense. When the now I am going to explain all the rules what I involved. In case of changing the tense, first of all we should make up our mind when the reported verb will in past tense. When the reporting verb will in past tense, the reported speech must be in past tense. As follow, present indefinite becomes past indefinite. Present continuous become past continuous. Present perfect becomes past perfect continuous. So on, in case past indefinite become past perfect, past continuous and past perfect continuous, and past perfect does not change. Past perfect continuous does not change. Similarly, shall, will and other forms of verb also assume past form. So if you are sure of these rules, I think you will not face any problem in solving the problem related to narration. Now I am going to conclude my speech. Thank you.